Today we will show you how to test and repair Citizen CH452 and CH453 upper arm type digital blood pressure monitor. Before everything, we should make sure that we are using proper and powerful alkaline batteries, because many machine failures are caused by weak batteries. First we open the battery cover, and insert the batteries with the same direction showed inside the battery place in the machine. Then, we wrap the cuff around the arm, and try to measure the blood pressure. We want to recognize the type of failure. As you can see, the machine is working, but the digits doesn't change, or only few digits change. In this case, the problem is caused by air leakage inside the system. First, we try with a new cuff, to see if the leak is from the cuff or inside the machine. As you can see, now the machine is working properly, so the problem is solved by replacing the cuff for a new one. If the same problem persists with the new cuff, then we have to open the machine. There are 3 screws to be opened by a Phillips type screwdriver. Then, we turn the machine and place it on the table. This part is the motor of the machine. It pumps air into the system. And from this pipe, the air is going into the cuff to inflate it. This white port is the air exhaust control unit that controls the ratio of the air exit. And this pipe is connecting to the solenoid valve, which is an electromechanical valve, who opens or closes the air exit of the machine. So once the motor starts pumping the air, the solenoid valve closes the exit. Then the air goes to the cuff, and inflates the cuff. And once the motor stops, it opens the exhaust to deflate the cuff. This is the main air pipe of the machine, which goes to the control system board via detecting sensors. If during inflation and pumping the digits shows 0, or goes up to certain digit and gets stuck, then one of these piping system got defected. So first we check the pipes to make sure if some of them got damaged, or disconnected, and is leaking. The pipes' quality are very good, but in rare cases it can happen that they get a hole, and in that case is easily seen by a careful look. We start the machine by pressing the start switch. Once the machine starts, the solenoid valve will close immediately. We can observe the closure by hearing a click sound. If the valve doesn't close, then the valve got defected and should be replaced. As you can see now, there is a leakage from the valve, and the air is running out from the valve. We switch off the machine. There are 2 wires connected from the solenoid valve to the control board, and both are the same, so there is no positive or negative poles. Now we disconnect the wires from the control board. And disconnect the air pump from the valve also. We should take the new valve, and connect the air pipe to the valve carefully. And then connect the wires to the control board by soldering. Again we test the machine. We should be very careful with this rubber washer at the cuff connection exit on the machine. Sometimes this washer may come out when we open the machine, so we should fix it back properly. Then, we connect the cuff, and try the machine. As you can see, the pressure is going up, which means that the air leakage was fixed. Now this machine works properly, so we disconnect the cuff again. Check that the washer is fixed in its place. Then, we close the machine. Thank you for watching, and please submit your questions to service@island-gate.com. In this part we want to check the accuracy of our machine. As a first step, we wrap the cuff around our arm, and start the machine. The machine will start pumping and inflate the cuff, so the digits keep increasing. Once the pumping is finished, and the cuff started deflating, the digits will start decreasing. The ratio of decrease should be in the range of 3. If the speed of deflation and the digits is higher, then the machine is not calibrated and should be fixed. Now the machine shows error 2, which is caused by air leakage, and affects the measurement as well. So again please notice at the deflation or air exit part, that the ratio of decreasing should be around 3 digits each step. We open the machine. This white valve is the controller of the air exit ratio. It has an adjusting screw by a small screwdriver. If we turn this screw clockwise, the air will exit faster, and if we turn it counterclockwise, the air will exit slower. So, to reach the proper air exit ratio, we should adjust through this screw. Start the machine. Please note that the cuff should be wrapped around your arm. We try several times by adjusting the screw while deflating the air until we get the proper deflation ratio, which is 2 to 3 digits per step. Repeat this step until you get a proper adjustment. As you can see, now the digits decreasing rate is in the range of 2 to 3, which is an accurate calibration situation for the machine. Now the machine is fixed. Disconnect the cuff and proceed to close the machine. Thank you for watching, and please submit your questions to service@island-gate.com.